Being a trustee isn't easy. Take it from me. 5 times Manager of the Year, early riser, and all-round business maverick. Now, do you have what it takes? Welcome and croeso to our interviews to find our new trustee. Now, how much do you know about being a trustee?
From what I gather, being a trustee is important.
Important to understand the intricacies of business. Yes, it involves a particular business savviness, nous, a keen eye. What on earth is going on?
Hi!
Excuse me.
We're here in your laptop.
Hello?
Hi, I'm Dee and I'm actually a trustee, and what I'd like to say is you're completely wrong on this.
You don't have to have an intricate knowledge of business and
A fine eye for the detail or any other blue sky thinking rubbish.
you just have to be able to listen and have a willingness to learn.
Well, maybe that isn't strictly the case, but one thing I do know is that you'll have to get used to sitting in crucial meetings. They aren't for the faint-hearted. They are long and intense and, yes, maybe a little bit boring.
Trust me, that just isn't true. Yeah, there are meetings, but they're not all boring. You could be doing some community work as well. You could be going to listen to an inspirational speaker. You could be doing the speaking yourself, or you could be doing some training or taking part in training. So yeah, there are meetings, but they're definitely not all boring.
Okay, there can be plenty of variety, sure. It's not only boring meetings. It takes time and dedication and getting up like me at 4 a.m. to make a macchiato and scroll LinkedIn. What? Important, you see. Trustees have pressing, important information to digest. You have to dedicate every last hour, every last minute, every last sec.
Time is important, but it's not all-consuming. I'm a professional rugby player working full-time. I'm away on the weekends a lot, and I have roles outside of rugby as well that take up a lot of my time, but I'm still a proud trustee and manage to dedicate time to that as well also.
Well, that's all well and good, but come on. Being a trustee is serious business for serious people like me to be taken seriously. And good day.
That was a disaster.
Yeah, did you see his shorts?
The shorts weren't even the worst thing about it.
Yeah, he was talking rubbish.
Mate, if you want to be a trustee, just go for it. Feet first, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.